everyone, welcome back to Carbon Xander. I'm Xander. Today we are back here at the Motor Enclave. It is a Cars and Coffee special edition. Special because today is my birthday. This is always a great event, huge event. We got spectator vehicles here, and inside the main event is the history of Porsche over the years. So I'm expecting to see some pretty amazing Porsches today. Even on the ride in, whew, thousands of Porsches. We also have another special treat today. We have an update on the Speed Freaks car condo. Been nice enough to invite me back and play around on their sim today a little bit. So we're gonna check in with those guys. Stay tuned, don't miss anything. So the name of the game today is Sunblock for sure. It is gonna be brutal. Oh, check this out. Coming out of the gate strong with the Revuelto, matte black with the gloss black wheels and the red calipers. Revueltos are so nice. I mean, come on, look at this car. I mean, look at this setup, guys. Just hundreds of cars on the racetrack. Pretty awesome setup. Got an i8 over there. Some Beamers. Nice colors on these. The purple, the green, and the blue. Got a really nice GT3 RS. This is pretty sweet. I don't know if this is a prior year, like a 991 or something like that, but awesome wheels. Really nice setup. The front end on this. Beauty. Looks like here starts the Porsches. Never-ending row of Porsches, guys. Nice Spyder RS right there. Pretty sweet. Little hybrid action on this one. GT3. Just doesn't stop, y'all. Every color, every style. This is a really nice Spyder right here. Carbon fiber hood. Probably a wrap on that one, but I'll forgive them. Ooh. Really nice spec on this Spyder. Got an old classic Porsche right here. Really nice. Look at this with a Martini livery. Pretty sweet. And it just keeps going. Getting into some copyright music. This is gonna be really tough. That's the one thing that's a pain for YouTubers here at the Motor Enclave during Cars and Coffee, is that, boy, they play a lot of music and it's really loud, so forgive me if I do some voiceovers here. Editor Xander here. I don't think I want to do voiceovers. I want to do an epic montage. How's it going, Warren? Good to see you again, man. So check out this 2025 Porsche GT3 RS with the Manthey Racing Kit. This is the only kit that you can add to a Porsche aftermarket that will actually increase its value. The Manthey kit includes the wing with DRS, these aero blade wheel covers that are made of carbon fiber, additional aero on the rear, the side skirts, the fender, It just adds so much to the car. Look at these canards on the front. It's like a $80,000 kit, and it will increase your Porsche's value. Incredible. I've never seen a GT3 RS with a Manthey kit. This is an incredible spec. Black and white, Stormtrooper style, with carbon fiber accents in all the right places. And right on the back end of it, you got a 911 Dakar in the same spec, basically, black and white. It's got matte black, but wow, look at those wheels and look at that gap. Extra suspension travel so that you can hit the sick jumps. It even comes with these traction pieces that help you dig yourself out of a hole when you get into it. Extra aero on the back and the wing, and then obviously a giant roof rack too, so that you can carry those traction pads with you. Super nice. I would definitely be out of order if I didn't mention the 918 Spyder right here. And again, similar spec, the white with the black, just superb touches. The styling of the 918 is incredible. I mean, 800 plus horsepower, hybrid, all modern interior. I mean, look at this. This looks like a brand new car, and I think this is like a 2018, if I'm not mistaken. You got a 4.7 liter V8 in there that the exhaust comes out the top right behind your head. So the sound out of this is incredible. Not the same as a V10 in a CGT, but out of the two, I think I'm a 918 Spyder type of guy. I've never been the biggest fan of the older 911s, but I am a sucker for the Martini livery. And man, this is so cool. Actual race car. I think this is a 911 SC, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, right there, SC. What does that stand for? Beats me. But it looks like it was driven by an Argentinian driver. Man, look at this Hennessey Venom F5. I've seen these before, but I've never seen one with the engine cover off. I mean, look at the interior. American hypercar. Look at all the carbon fiber on the back of this. The color is incredible. You've got an exposed engine bay with the gold foil heat shielding and that giant Hennessey supercharger, all billet aluminum. The doors go up, and this color combo is incredible with that teal color and the bronze wheels. Huge. Those are like 22s. Just massive amounts of carbon fiber on the door panels. The interior sparse, but so incredibly beautiful with all of that carbon fiber. Detachable F1 style steering wheel. Holy cow, this is an incredible car, guys. Hennessey stitched into the leather, and of course, Texas flag right there. I mean, the profile on this vehicle is intense. The nose is just incredible. You've got all of this carbon fiber down here on the front splitter and up on the hood cowling. Holy cow, look at this thing. These are rare. You don't see these at all. And I think I've seen 3 since I started this channel. Really awesome. On track. Thanks again to the Speed Freaks for letting me come visit, play the sim, chill in their man cave. Super appreciate it, they're the best. Got a nice GT4 sitting right here. Huracán Evo. One of the really cool things I'm about to do is upstairs there's a new simulator that has the Motor Enclave as the track, so the track is the Motor Enclave, and the car that we get to drive is this car right here. This is a Huracán Evo Vorsteiner edition, all-wheel drive. So we're gonna take this beauty out on the track, virtually, and see what it's made of. First time driving a Lamborghini. my turn with the sim. Let's get on track and see what I can do. Don't have your hopes up too much. First time I've been in a sim this nice. All right, here we go. Very graceful on my part getting in. We're in neutral, first gear, floor it on the straightaway. Try not to hit the wall on this turn. Oh, hitting the red line. Got to brake early, downshift. Nice. This is a big turn, so I'm gonna brake, downshift. Oh, it's a big turn. Got it though. There we go. Power out of the apex, shift. That was a little too much power out of the apex. So thanks again to the Speed Freaks for letting me visit one more time. Awesome guys, super appreciate it. Got to drive this beautiful Lamborghini Huracán Evo all-wheel drive on the track virtually. Next time, let's see if we can make it real. So there's a couple of outside lots here. This one over here is packed full of Porsches. This one over here is the VIP parking. So we're gonna check both of them out right now. So the F5 finally got into the sunlight. Look at that color. Incredible. I'm gonna try to stick around and see if I can get this starting up. Look at the size of the wing on this. Full carbon fiber. This is a legit Porsche race car right here. Love the spec. I mean, look at this lineup of colors. Orange, yellow, green, white with the green accents. This GT3 RS is pretty sick. Awesome carbon fiber on the hood. Hard to beat a spec like this. Pretty sick. And then a nice 718 Spyder right here. Beautiful color. Another GT3 RS. This one in what, banana yellow. Look at the wing on the GT3 RSs, man. That DRS system, so you can add downforce at will or add airflow at will to increase speed, and another GT3 non-RS. It's just Porsche after Porsche after Porsche. Beautiful Viola GT4 RS. Another Porsche race car. Just crazy numbers of GT3 RSs. I mean, look at this. This one, it almost looks like it has the Manthey racing kit on it, but does not. Gorgeous. Another GT3 RS. This one completely blacked out. Yellow calipers. I'm digging it. A real representation of Porsche throughout the years. For example, this is a 1 of 60 930 Slantnose, 89. Historic Porsches on display here at the Motor Enclave. Beautiful red spec on this one. I'm just gonna be a menace here and do a real quick run through of the VIP section as well. I mean, look at this, just a beautiful color on the 720S, that blue. The interior spec is great. It's like a crema with matte carbon fiber on the steering wheel and the center console. 720S is a beautiful vehicle. Then you got a really nice Lotus Evora GT, really well spec'd. I love the color. The crema of the exterior matches the crema of the interior of the 720S. Got your JDM stuff. Sucker for a Golf livery, love that. We've seen this before on the Mustang. Right over here we have a Viola Pacife Huracan with red accents. Man, that color is pretty. Can't tell if that is a wrap or not. My guess is this is a wrap, but beautiful car nonetheless. Purple and red, I don't know. You got a pair of killer Aston Martins right here next to a Verde Scandal Huracan Spyder. And then, as per usual, at car shows, you see a 296 GTS just sitting alone by itself. This is such a beautiful car. Oh, there's the Hennessey. Got the Venom. I'm too old to be running after cars like that. All right, so after chasing down the Hennessey Venom F5, hope you appreciate that. If you made it this far in the video, please give me a like and a subscribe. It really helps support the channel. I think I'm calling it a day, folks. The sun is gonna kill me, and I definitely need to have no sunburn for my birthday dinner tonight. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you when I see you. One negative I gotta say is the death march that you have to do for spectator parking. I'm not gonna lie. Comes a nice bright red C8. I figure I might as well give it a little love. Can't hate on the C8. Man, look at this beauty. Mustang GT. It's got some good patina on it. Sweet. Look at all the peeling paint. Gotta respect it. Wonder if it's all original. There she is. Oh, the carbon shark. Oh, air conditioning. Let's go. Okay, so one cool thing exiting, all right, after the march is I got to drive on the track. It would be so nice to rip through here. Be crazy. I could definitely see the Tessie doing 90 around this corner on the P0s.
Turn left to stay on Motor Enclave Way.
Oh, I'm gonna get in so much trouble for that. Yeah, see, they're posting up 5-0 on the track to make sure nobody gets stupid. Good idea. But I am kind of on my own with this hairpin right here. Let's see how it does. Oh, this thing sticks. It sticks, folks. All right, I think I'm gonna end it here. I'm in traffic, on the track. This is a good place to wrap it up. Thanks so much for joining. See you when I see you.